vlogs, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang performance ng Vision and Horizon. Nagra-rhyme talaga sila for today's video. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. I think bilang pa lang sa daliri ko ang paggawa ko ng reaction video sa Vision, pero sa Horizon marami na din talaga. So ipagsama ko na lang sa isang video ang Vision and Horizon. Okay, so without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Wait lang, si Taneo ba is from Vision? Ay, alamat pala si Taneo. May alamat pa ba? Ay, yung jowa ata ni Gwen. Ay, hindi ni Gwen, yung kadate niya. Ay, hello. Ay, maganda yung kanta nila, ha? Okay. Uy, pwede yung kanta nila. In fairness. Malupit. Okay. Sino yan? Anong name nun? Hala, ang gwapo nun. Hala, ang gwapo nun. Anong name nun? Can someone comment down below? Kung anong name niya? Ayan siya, ayan siya. Hala, iba siya. Hala, iba siya, mami. Ang ganda ng tone niya, no? Okay. Kamukha niya si Taneo, actually. In fairness sa Vision, ang daming promising, ha? Ang daming yung gwapo sa Vision, no? In fairness. Ay, hello. Ay, wow. The dance break, ha? Atake, ha? Okay. Ang alam ko next gen is Horizon. Wait lang. Ang alam. Ito. The Horizon. Encore.
Alam na nila what it means to represent the country
Sige nga.
internationally. Kilala nyo na ba to? Of course!
Alam mo, parang-
Performing with Raver Cruz and Miguel Tan Felix, here's Horizon.
Parang mas marami sila sa kaysa sa ABS. Parang marami yung guesting nila sa AOS kaysa sa ABS. Or sa ASAP. Ay, hello. Marcos? Si Jerome yung nagpapakita ng kilikili. Hala. Nagpapakita na talaga siya ng skin? Ay, wait. Razor still wala? Tama? Wapo yung Winston, ha? Kyler. Yes. Kyler, gwapo ni Kyler. Okay. Okay. Yan. Si River.
Popping bottles, vibing through it. Come on.
Live yung performance nila dito.
I've been moving crime, but my name is too loud. From the ground up, never needed no cry. I got 2020, look, everything is a key. People with my pace, I'm up. Baby, I just gotta hit him with this rhyme like a
Grabe si Marcos, no? Parang nagwawala na talaga si Marcos.
Everybody keep on. Kill, what you going with the rage? I'm showing. I got plenty to choose, babe.
Yung title ng kantang to,
I'm so maintain on my tips. A couple million, now you're holding up a fingertip, babe. Alright, then. Gonna make it work, baby. I'ma make it rain on me. Gonna make it work, baby. Fly with it. Just fly with it. Gotta keep it quiet, but you know we keep the grind going.
Gwapo ni Marcos.
No matter what comes out, ain't
Gwapo ni Winston, no? Wala na.
get you until then, no.
Beachy. Si River. Ay, andyan na pala si Miguel Tan Felix bigla.
I got plenty to choose, babe. Rotation, but ain't gonna end to it. Check who you gotta send to it. Just do what I wanna do.
Yay! Tapos na yun? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Horizon and Vision for today's video. Hindi ako pamilya sa kantang yun. Totoo lang. This is Kivo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!